Hi guys, so this video now we're looking at basically just tweaking the wall glides exercise. So the reason being is I found that there's a few ways that clients can actually sort of cheat the exercise, if you like, and it doesn't work as effectively as what it should do. So again, with the wall glides exercise, if you haven't seen that video, go and check that out now. The wall glides is actually an exercise for the lower back. Mainly the QL muscle, but it works the whole lower back and starts to ease and get more mobility in that lumbar area. So again, you can check that out, or I'm going to do it now anyway, and we're going to tweak it, okay? So the wall glides exercise against the wall, and literally all you're doing is you're placing, bending the elbow, and you're placing the elbow into the side of the waist, okay? So that's what I'm going to do here, and while I do that, I'm actually just going to lean on my shoulder, okay? So from here now is that the hips should be on top of each other, and the idea being that I'm actually going to push the hip towards the wall, and then I'm just going to release, and I'm going to go again, okay? So if you check out the other video, it actually shows you from the different angle. Now, all I'm doing again is pressing the hip towards the wall, and then I'm releasing. I'm not moving the shoulder, I'm just simply pressing the hip towards the wall. Now, for anybody that has any lumbar issues or any tightness within the lower back, then sometimes this can feel quite sharp and it can feel a little bit sore. So you just take it to where you feel that tightness, and then you can ease it back. So we basically like nudge it each time. So rather than forcing it, we're just sort of nudging the movement. There's no holding, okay? So you don't, it's not a stretch, it is a mobility exercise. So you keep moving it, relax, and then you bring it back. So the other thing is as well, you don't need to come up all the way, okay? So we take it to the side and then you just relax, okay? So rather than taking it completely the other way, you don't need to do that, okay? So again, there's a few ways that I've found that clients actually cheat this one. And what I found is that in this position, some people actually start to take the hips back, okay? When you do this, you're not going to feel it as effectively, okay? The other thing they do is they might do a little bit of a twist, okay? So what I tend to ask then is if I'm seeing this, so if you can't feel anything with this movement, then you might be actually cheating it a little bit. So what I get my clients to do is I actually get them to take this hip back slightly, so you've got a very, very, very slight rotation, okay? And then I push towards the wall, okay? So very, very tiny rotation, okay? So we have a go, and we have a few goes in that way. So again, push, and then release, and again, just take it to where you feel it. And then what I also do is get them to take it the other way, okay? So slightly take this top hip forward, so you've got a rotation there, and then push the hip towards the wall again. So they're going slightly backwards on this, okay? So it's not a huge movement, okay? So it isn't a really big movement. It is just a slight tweak to get them in the positions that maybe they need it, okay? So it doesn't work for everybody, same as usual. It's a case of try it and see if it helps. If it does, continue. If not, go and try something else. So hope that helps, guys. So if you or your clients just can't seem to feel that how it maybe should feel, then try these little tweaks and see if that helps. So hope it helps, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.